Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can complete Vegeta Wicked Heart in Sparking Zero. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, in the original story, Vegeta falls under Babiddi's mind control and becomes Majin Vegeta. However, in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, you have the chance to break free from that control and take Vegeta down an alternate path. This leads to a completely new scenario where Majin Buu is never awakened. To unlock Vegeta's Wicked Heart, you need to complete a hidden objective in the episode preparing for the World Tournament. The best strategy is to start the battle with a throw or smash combo, giving you time to charge ki and sparking mode. Also, use ranged ki attacks to keep your distance and minimize damage. Once you complete the episode under these conditions, you'll unlock the option to resist Babiddi's mind control in the Vegeta's Wicked Heart episode. Choosing to resist Babiddi's control triggers a new episode called Vegeta's Number 1 Spot. In this timeline, Vegeta defeats Babiddi and Dabura, preventing Majin Buu from awakening. This leads to an alternate fight against Goku at the World Tournament. Winning this battle unlocks the Number 1 Spot trophy or achievement, and adds Goku GT as a playable character with all his Super Saiyan forms. So that's basically how you can complete Vegeta Wicked Heart in Sparking Zero. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.